I did spend a little bit of my time in Zimbabwe, but I was young. And then I started my, teen years in Zambia, in the refugee camp. The Jesuits are everywhere. They were very visible in the camp, helping refugees in different ways. And my family was one of those that benefited from the help. When my family came here for a refugee resettlement program, we arrived in Bridgeport, Connecticut. After I graduated from Fairfield University, I decided to join the Peace Corps. Going back there and serve as a Peace Corps volunteer in a country that kept me and my family, oh my goodness, that was a gift to me. That almost felt like I'm being called. I wanted to work together with the community, collaboratively to fix the health problems that they had. So that's why it was important for me to ask them, what are your needs? Some women will get discouraged to go to the clinic because they know it's a long distance, so they would rather just give birth at home. The distance to the clinic is too far, and then they end up giving birth by the roadside. And we wanted to prevent that, to stop that, and encourage women to come to the waiting shelter. There, they are much safer. The goal of this pregnant women's waiting shelter, basically, when she's about to give birth, but she's not due yet, but she's about to give birth, she can come and wait at the waiting shelter. While she's there, the nurse at the clinic is aware that there's a woman waiting to give birth at the waiting shelter. When she's ready to give birth, the distance from the mother's waiting shelter to the maternity ward is very short. I also worked with malnourished pregnant women. That was also a big issue in my community. You have a pregnant mother who is at the same time malnourished. So I worked, counseling mothers about, proper nutrition. A woman would just cook vegetables, and by the time they are done being cooked, they are brown, extremely brown. By that time, all the nutrients, they are gone. You're just eating salt. As a Peace Corps volunteer, teaching nutrition, I would come in and, tell the mothers, you don't overboil your vegetables. When you cook your vegetables, you see that they are green. By the time that you finish cooking them, they should be green. We need to maintain the nutrients. I think as Jesuit educated students, we have to go out in the world and not just be intelligent human beings, but also help the world, the hurting world. It's not just service, good service that helps people in the world to flourish in different ways. Peace Corps is a job. It's more than just volunteering. It's a job. It's a duty that we should take seriously.